Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make an irresistible turkey melt sandwich. Start by combining 1 tablespoon of relish. Then add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Thoroughly mix them together. Thinly slice some red onion. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Spread the dressing generously on one side of each piece of bread. First thing when building this sandwich is laying the cheese down. Then add the turkey, onions, and another piece of cheese on top. Be sure to compress the sandwich. Be sure to give Brofist a slice. Gently warm the sandwich in the microwave for 30 seconds. Once your butter is slightly browned, add the sandwiches and start frying. The brown butter will give it an extra nutty taste. Flip the sandwich after about 2 minutes. Add more butter if necessary. Crispy. Serve with spicy pickles or your favorite side. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.